Barrett, it's time to give me what I want. The diamond play button. Ah, so you want to play? You want to play with me, huh? You want to play? Is that all you've got? What do you think this is? Too slow. Your power level is unreal! I didn't see this coming! Okay. I can't beat him. He's too strong. There's only one way I'm going to beat him. I'm going to need to transform. But I don't know if I'm ready for it. I don't know if I can reach that power level yet. There's only one way to find out. Welcome to my new form. Way too slow. Is going to affect me. What is this? Is this all you've got? Oh dear God! Alright, it's time to end this. Beerus, you really think you were strong enough, huh? You really thought you could defeat me? Not today! Give me my diamond play button, bitch! Ah! It is mine! Suck your balls! It is done. I did it. Yes. Yes. Woo! And that, ladies and gentlemen, is how I have two of these bad boys. Jesus, your boy is stuck in diamond plaques. The only YouTuber to have 2 diamond plaques, it's mad. But in all seriousness, thank you guys so much for all the support that you've given me. Been doing this shit for 10 plus years, man. And it is crazy just all the things that I've accomplished. It's unreal. And I'm always still breaking boundaries, always changing people's perception on what a YouTuber can do. Yeah, man, this is huge. Like, to have 2 of these, man, mental. And if Simon hits 10 mil before the end of the year, yo, I'm gonna have 3 of these. But yeah, big up my friends, my family, my girlfriend for getting me into this position, and yeah, it's mad. And of course, big shout out to Mo, the editor, Mo Saeed, Saeed. I like saying Saeed. But yeah, big up to him. I definitely would not have got these bad boys. Well, okay, maybe this one without him. Definitely not this one without him. But yeah, nah, he's helped me a lot. And of course, how could I forget? Big up Brosheb, fam. Brosheb has done a madness. Like, did you watch that shit? What the hell was that? It's mental. You know, if you haven't subscribed to Brosheb, subscribe to him, fam. I'm sure he's gonna be producing even more content for you guys. Yeah, this has been your boy KSL GDBT. Yo, we did it, baby. We did it. Are you mad? Yo, mwah, mwah. All right, yo, I'll see you guys in a bit. Take care and peace.